gosh guys, it feels so good to be back in my old school. What's up y'all, it's Life with Kenny B, back in the building with another video. And I'm at my old college, the school I love the most, at Who College.
Goodness! How are you? Oh my goodness! What are you doing in New Zealand? No, you didn't. Oh! Oh my gosh, darling. Mr. C left. Oh no, he left last year, so oh, how are you? Oh, gosh.
She's always talking about coming back here. Always.
Oh, that's so cool. Famous YouTuber.
Not even.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. You know, favorites.
She's coming.
Real auntie.
No.
Oh, see, yeah. No, honey, watch her. Yeah. And, no, I've noticed you say hi, auntie, you know, like talk like
family.
Yeah. So, I'm like, oh, it's Caitlin related to her. Oh my gosh. No, wait, what? Are you on holidays or what?
Holidays, yeah. We mainly came for like a polytube funnel, but we came like a week earlier just to eat and get a lot of footage and stuff.
Wow, yeah, well, we got a new department this year. All the rooms are still the same, just a bit prettier.
Oh, I missed you guys, man.
Goodness. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah, well, I'm trying to clear the table, not really. My darling. Marisa, I will. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. What an honor. Oh. So good to see you. Oh.
I love to miss the tea if you do so.
I will. This is the last 2 years I haven't been.
Yep.
I put up photos of all the last 11 years.
Yep.
But I have millions.
Yeah,
Oh, Tawila, she like.
Yeah, I follow her on Instagram. She's so good, man. Her voice is amazing. Freak. And there's another girl. I don't know her name. You guys
Topha?
it might be her. Yeah. This one. She's a really good one. Freak.
You've made an impact on her life. She
Yeah,
always
big
watches
time,
over
yeah.
you and just reminisces. Oh, I miss her, I miss Miss Hartford.
Especially when I moved to Oz and I didn't know certain schools had music.
Sure.
And I moved to like 2 schools and still no music, and I was like, oh man.
Oh, true, 2 schools.
And then I was like, I don't want to pay money for another uniform.
Oh. This sucks.
Yeah, man.
One of my kids wants to be a YouTuber, eh?
It's good, yeah.
It's this one. He wants to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to do it. Oh,
We must be really
Do
good
it,
on
bro.
that.
Do it, bro. Okay, for the 5th time. See ya.
Have a good time.
Yeah.
Thank you for the gift. That's alright. All right. Yeah. Bye.
Man, she's done about to make me cry, bro. I was trying not to cry because I was just like, not today, bro. Oh my gosh. Never trust this water tank here, okay, guys? So you don't know how many students have been here before. You know how disgusting they are. Trust. Guys, I just want to show you guys. Yeah. So this is my old school. Art blocks up there. The library, good old library. Ain't gonna go in the library, students in there, I'm too nervous. Oh man, the library is looking pretty, man. Obviously the block of classes over there. Now guys, here in the tuck shop area, this is where me and my friends all used to quickly try and get our lunch and eat it before all the holdouts would come. Oh my gosh. The last time I was here, I think my maths class was in that section there. Man, look at this, guys. I don't know if they're having assembly at the moment or what. Let's go, guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. I wanna walk inside to know what it feels like. The hall there. I'll probably walk past and show you guys if it's open. I'll probably get in trouble from the principal, Watson. But you know what? I don't care. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so surreal to be here, like no joke. There used to be my fine art class here. The last one over there. Careers area. Dean's office. Oh my gosh. This is where all the couples would sit, all the Indian couples when they were here. This is a school back in the day. And this is the entrance to the hall. Oh, there's no assembly. I used to sing on that stage once upon a time. I used to sit in this area once upon a time. Man, how emotional, man. Definitely recommend your kids to come to this school. That was the science block I used to be in. So me and my friends used to play handball over here. My first time flicking a siren switch over here. I used to sass so many people over here. This has changed a lot though. Science class was up there. I hated going to the top floor. This is the famous field of Otahuhu College. Have hakawaiata anything. People used to smoke weed back there. Oh man, like it wasn't obvious. Smoke weed, anything. Oh man. Man. There's nothing I love more than, you know, besides family and stuff like that. Otahuhu College is a place that is really close to my heart. A lot of things have happened on the sidewalk too. And we're here at Manuk's, guys. Manukau. Oh my gosh, I would love coming here. And here's the famous food court, guys. There's a butter chicken at. Where is it? Oh my gosh, Texas chicken and that too. Forgot. Oh my gosh. Proper naan breads. The best butter chicken on the planet, y'all. Guys, honestly, if you guys want a good butter chicken place to go to, this is the place. No joke. Like anything you get there, butter chicken, chicken korma, their chicken tikka masala. I'm not even lying, it's the best thing. What's up, y'all? It's Katie B back from Birding with another video. Oh. I'm in. Hey guys, we just walked into Vodafone. We're hoping to top my phone up because the last video I uploaded, my Melbourne video that I uploaded back in NZ, I used my gigs, 10 gigs, and it just like went boom on that one video uploading. So we came to Vodafone to try and get a top up, hopefully at least another 10 gigs. And the only thing they do is a gig for 20 bucks. A gig for 20 bucks. I forgot how really bad it is here, like. No, but I remember when we did used to stay in NZ, before we moved out here. It was like $20 for a top up and you only got 500 megabytes. You already know I went to school trying to show off that I had data and it finished in like 2 seconds. Because it takes forever to load, the network's really bad here. That's a good store over there, Coop. And custom teas at the moment. It's always been expensive, it was hard to shop here. So I'm just gonna try this shirt here for Luau night. Pretty keen about it. It looks pretty nice, I like it. Let's see how it goes. I actually like this guy, it's not bad. Probably try it without the shirt on. Hold up. Oh, I like this, eh? It's pretty bad. My face is looking ratchet, let me hold up. I actually like this. Yep, I'm getting this. Oh, let's go. So I got my top.